The 2015 Toyota Venza excites with a stylish look and wide, athletic stance that stands out from other crossovers. Its stunning exterior styling includes sleek lines, a stylish upper and lower grille, and modern-looking fog lamps and taillights. The 2015 Toyota Venza offers a sophisticated profile and sleek design to make every rival a powerful one, while a luxurious cabin and spacious interior provide plenty of comfort. The 2015 Venza is offered in 3 trims: the base LE, the mid-range XLE, and the top-level limited. A 27-liter, 4-cylinder, 181 horsepower engine is standard on the LE and XLE, but is unavailable on the limited. Alternatively, a 35-liter, V6 engine with 268 horsepower is standard on the limited and available on the lower trims. Whatever engine options you go with, they are both paired with a 6-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission, while front-wheel drive comes standard. Toyota offers all-wheel drive as an option on all Venza trims. Fuel economy is almost the same on all trims and drivetrain combinations, but the 4-cylinder front-wheel drive is the best performer with an EPA estimate of 21 mpg CTY and 27 mpg highway. The 2015 Toyota Venza has an interior that is big in all directions with generous head and legroom based on the trim. Comfortable seating options include cloth or leather upholstery, heated front seats, and a power driver's seat with power lumbar support. The Venza offers an impressive 702 cubic feet of cargo space, plus it features one-touch fold flat levers located in the cargo area for the rear seats. Standard safety features include 7 airbags, anti-lock brakes, traction control, a tire pressure monitor system, and much more.